Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie in your garden. First, let's talk about selecting the best ingredients. You'll want to choose ripe, seasonal fruits directly from your garden, like sweet berries or crisp apples. A good pie starts with fresh, high-quality produce. Make sure your garden is thriving to provide these delicious components. We'll cover everything from picking to baking, ensuring a delightful homemade treat. Now, let's get to harvesting. The key to an amazing garden pie is using fruits at their absolute peak. Whether it's juicy strawberries, plump blueberries, or crisp apples, timing is everything. Aim for a good mix of sweet and tart varieties to create a complex flavor profile. You'll typically need around 6 cups of prepared fruit for a standard 9-inch pie, so gather generously from your thriving garden. Next up, the crust. A truly great pie needs a flaky, tender crust, and the secret lies in keeping your ingredients cold. Use chilled butter and ice water when mixing your dough. Combine about 2½ cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt, then cut in your cold fat. After mixing, chill the dough for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent shrinking and ensures a perfect texture. Roll it out gently for a beautiful base. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your masterpiece. Start your pie in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 350 degrees to finish baking. You'll know it's ready when the crust is a beautiful golden brown and the filling is bubbling deliciously. Let it cool slightly before slicing to allow the filling to set. And hey, while you're checking out the description for the recipe, you'll also find a link to grab some Little Trees black ice air fresheners and other great deals. Enjoy your incredible garden fresh pie.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.